Safety.
Hello kiddos! Welcome back to the Cursive Capital series. Today is our final letter as we're going to learn how to write the cursive capital letter Z. How shall we learn to do this? Let's look at the lightning board to do this. We will start at the top of the lightning and we will make an upward curve and then come back down to join the middle point. Now we will make another upward curve and draw a downward slanting line to join the bottommost point of the lightning, and we will loop it up leftwards. And that's it. Here we have it, the cursive capital letter Z. Let's try doing this in our notebooks for more clarity. Let's start just below the top red line. We will curve upwards to the top red line and then we will draw a downward sloping line to the bottom blue line. Now we will follow the same stroke back up just a little, make another curve, come down like this and loop it up to the left. And here we have it, the cursive capital letter Z. I hope you had fun with our cursive series, and if you want a lowercase cursive series, let us know by clicking on the thumbs up or the like symbol down below. Goodbye, have fun!